Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be looking at the best RSI settings for day trading. Okay, so if you are looking to optimize your RSI settings for day trading and get more accurate signals for day trading, then you are in the right place. Okay, today we are going to be looking at the best RSI settings specifically designed for day traders. Now, these adjustments could change how you trade forever. So make sure to stick around till the end. All right. So let us start with the basics. Yeah. For those who need a refresher, the RSI or Relative Strength Index is an oscillator that moves between 0 and 100 and shows you the momentum in a price trend. Okay, it's one of the most popular indicators because it's easy to read and works in all markets, including stocks, Forex, and even crypto. Okay, traditionally, RSI is set to 14 period. Okay, as we can see, the default settings is the 14 period time frame, okay, with overbought levels above 70 and oversold levels below 30. But here's the catch. While these default settings might work for swing traders, they often aren't ideal for day trading, where you are dealing with much shorter time frames. Okay, so when you are day trading, you are aiming for precision and quick entries and exits, right? Now, the standard 14 period setting might be too slow, giving delayed signals that could cause you to miss out on profitable trades, or even worse, enter too late. To make RSI more responsive to short-term price movements, many day traders find that reducing the RSI to 5-7, that is the period now we're talking about, 5-7 or even 9 periods work much better. One thing I have noticed is that the shorter the value, or the smaller the value, the faster it is for the RSI to respond to price changes. So as a day trader, you might want to reduce this value to something like 9. I think 9 should do. Okay, lowering the period creates a faster moving RSI line that reflects price changes more accurately and quickly. This gives you earlier signals on potential trend reversals. Okay, now for example, let's say you are day trading with the 15-minute chart. We are currently on the 15-minute chart. Okay, a 5 period RSI setting will capture more of those minus price swings compared to the 14 period. Also, the 9 period would capture more price movements compared to the 14 period. Let us just look at the 14 period again. Can you see the changes? You can see that with the 14 period, it might take more time for the RSI to give you a buy signal or to give you a sell signal. It may take more time for the RSI to perhaps come down from the overbought or climb up from the oversold compared to the 9 period. Can we see how the thing adjusted, the indicator adjusted? So when you are trading on smaller time frames, it is advisable that you reduce the period to suit your trading style. Now, in as much as I am recommending the periods 5, 7, or 9 for day trading, you can actually decide to experiment with different values that are below 10, okay, to find out the one that fits best with your day trading strategy. Okay, now apart from the period, you can also try adjusting the overbought and oversold levels as well if you want to get, optimal entries. Okay, if you want to get optimal entries, you can adjust the overbought to 80 and the oversold to 20, right? So you can see, so that you'll be looking out for more high probability trades. All right, so that you'll be looking out on focusing on the strongest trends. Okay, and you can get more confidence in your trades. Now imagine if you are trading a currency pair. For example, we are in the Euro USD, and you find the RSI drop below 20. At least you have some confidence that this is a strong oversold, right? Compared to the 30 level. The 20 level will give you more confidence. And we can see that when the price began to cross above the 20, can we see that when the RSI crossed above the 20, the price of the asset responded accordingly, right? We can see that the value of Euro USD continued to climb up consistently, right? So we can see that in the case of a overbought level, can we see the 80 level? This was a high probability signal, right? Because it is 80 level, not 70. And we can see that shortly afterwards, we can see that the price actually came down, even though this was against the trend, but the pullback was valid. Okay. Now, before you start applying these settings to live trades, remember to test them in a demo account. Okay. Markets can be unpredictable, and it's essential to get a feel for how these settings perform with your unique strategy. Okay. Every trader has their preferences, and there's no one size fits all setting. Okay. Please bear that in mind. All right. You can also decide to experiment with values below 10, like I already said, and then that is for the period. Okay, you can decide to experiment with values below 10 so that you can find out the one that works best for your trading style. Okay, all right, now that is a wrap up on the best settings for day trading, the best RSI settings for day trading. These simple tricks can make a big difference in your results. Okay, helping you time entries and exit with more accuracy. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which RSI setting works best for you. Okay, thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.